I got broads in Atlanta, just to the lean the family, credit cards and the scammers.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech PC. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make your computer faster, and for more video check out my playlist of how to make your computer faster. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings. Now go to personalization. Now click on colors. Now turn off transparency effects. Now go to the search box and search Advanced System Settings. Now go to the settings of Startup and Recovery. Now go to the Time to Display List of Operating System option, and change the value to 10 seconds. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos.